Hi, I'm Dr. David Warwick of Warwick Chiropractic in Lacey Olympia, Washington, your local Lacey Olympia, Washington chiropractor. And Jennifer was injured, some soft tissue injury, and we're working today. This is like our fourth visit in frequency, maybe 5. I'd have to look at our notes, but we were just talking briefly about how she notices how the treatment lasts maybe for 24, 48 hours, but by day 3 it's starting to come back. So when there's a type of injury, sometimes there's a frequency that chiropractors can recommend it, not while it's long term, but it's enough where the injured sites can repair and heal. So, all right, let's take a look here what we got going on. So big difference in what I see, and one of the things is leg length. And we like to see the changes as the stress and the misalignments start to balance out in the spine. Where do you feel most of it, Jennifer? Low back?
Right here.
Neck, shoulder area.
Shoulder.
Right between the shoulder blades, right through here?
On the side, right here.
Right across this area. All right, we'll start down here, work our way up. Bend. Goes a little bit shorter, and you may have noticed how the pelvis starts to hunch because of stress inside some of the joints right here. So I'm going to adjust the right SI joint, take a deep breath in, release it out. Good. And once again, breath in and out. Good. Must be two different sock day today. Did I miss that one?
I grabbed one. It's Friday, like I said. I just grabbed 2 out of the
It's your Friday. That was cool. I like it because my daughter says that's the cool thing right now. 2 different socks.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
My feet stay under my desk, so it's being totally honest, I don't usually pay that much attention.
Yeah, no one observes your socks except your chiropractor, and that's about it. You. Okay, I want you to lay on this side, face me this way. Bend right here. Good. I'm going to cross the arms right here. Big breath in. And let it out. Good. Good. On your back, please. Felt that one?
Mm-hmm.
Big breath. And release. Good. Okay, now we're going to start to concentrate a little bit up toward the neck area. Feel the misalignment right at the atlas here. A little bit lower at C2. That was good.
Yeah, it was.
Just a little bit of stretch right here. Now bring your right ear down toward the floor for me. And relax. So what we're doing here is a little bit of stretching called PNF stretching. Push it into my hands again right there. And relax. All right, I'm going to have you go face down once again. Now, you've been also getting some massage work done, yes?
Yes, once a week.
Twice a week or once a week?
Once. I have another one on Friday.
Okay. Been fairly consistent with it?
Yeah, once a week. Usually Fridays.
Yeah. Is that your work day on a Friday?
It varies every week.
Depends.
This week I get to go home. The last 2 weeks I had to go to work.
All right, we're gonna do things a little bit different here. I'm gonna have you turn and sit facing the direction this way for me.
Toward you?
Yes, so you're gonna sit up, right there. We're gonna do shoulder. I'm gonna have you come right toward the middle here. We're gonna work on the shoulder area. Have they been getting deep enough on the massage work
Yeah.
here?
Oh, yeah. You did a really good job last week.
Who'd you say?
Steven?
Yeah,
Yeah.
excellent. Okay, we're gonna adjust the shoulder, so I'm gonna have you bend your elbow, drop it down into my hands, drop your head down. There it is.
I think it's starting to heal too because it's starting to itch.
From the massager or?
It just in general sometimes, but yeah, I definitely feel better every time he's done with me.
That's awesome. Yeah, have him focus in through this area, right through the shoulder blades, shoulder girdle, right through here.
Okay.
And we're gonna work a little bit on your posture as well. I think we started that, so a nice arch into the lower back,
Okay.
bringing the shoulder blades back like that. And then we're bringing the chin level and retract it back. So that's a good 2 inches forward that you're experiencing in what we call the forward head translation. So breath in, blow it out. Another breath in, and blow it out. Bring those shoulder blades back a little more, squeeze and hold, and retract the chin back for me a little more. Hold, and relax. Good. So just be aware of that again.
Don't slouch at my desk.
It's hard not to, but even the simple act of standing up, squeezing the shoulder blades back,
Okay.
extending the head backward, even for 5-10 seconds, makes a huge difference in how you feel throughout the day.
Okay.
So, good job. Pretty good?
Yep. we finished.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching, everyone. 2 thumbs up. There you go. All right, I'll see you. I'm Dr. David Warwick, Warwick Chiropractic, Lacey Olympia, Washington. Thank you for watching.